You've got your eye on the perfect LG refrigerator with just the right style and features. But before you finalize your purchase, let's make sure it's going to fit in your kitchen. To avoid disappointments, a few measurements, properly done, will assure that your dream LG fridge will fit properly. Begin by walking the path your fridge will take when it's delivered, starting from the delivery truck all the way to its spot in the kitchen. Measure the width of the door openings along the route and look for potential obstacles like tight corners, islands, or other areas that might be a tight fit. Now, measure the space your refrigerator will occupy. On most retail websites, you'll find a convenient measurement tool to guide you through the process. It's a good idea to review it and have it on hand before you start. Begin by measuring the width of the space. Be sure to measure in a few spots from top to bottom and write down the smallest measurement. Now, measure the height of the space from the floor to the bottom of any cabinet above the fridge. Many models have hinges on the top, so make sure you have clearance for those or your fridge won't slide all the way in. Next, measure the depth of the space from the back wall to the front edge of the counter to see how far the unit will protrude beyond it. Then, measure from the back wall to any island in front of the fridge to be sure there's ample room for a fridge drawer to open comfortably. Refer to the measurement tool for more details. To avoid unwanted damage, make sure the doors will be able to open at least 90 degrees without hitting obstacles like counter edges or walls that might dent, or be dented by, a swinging door. If a wall or cabinet limits how far refrigerator doors can open, LG refrigerators with zero clearance hinges help maximize capacity without requiring a smaller size. Finally, leave some extra space all around the fridge to allow for proper airflow. Leave 1/8 of an inch on the sides, 1 inch on top, and 2 inches in the back. Now, bring your measurements with you to the store to make sure your chosen model will fit just right.